How to backup photos and videos to USB drive on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Accounts and Backup. After click on Accounts and Backup, click on External Storage Transfer. After click on External Storage Transfer, make sure USB drive is insert here. After insert USB drive, so click on your device, drive. After click on your USB, so here click on backup. After click on backup and click on custom. After click on custom apps and storage is showing here. Click on image and videos. After click on image and videos and again click on image. So select which atoms. After select atoms, click on videos and select videos. After select videos, click on backup. After click on backup, you will see your photos and video is backup on your backup to USB drive. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can backup photos and videos to USB drive on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.